Hi, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. I'm going to show you some of my favorite Christmas sewing projects. Over here I have napkins, Christmas napkins. Now these I made out of using a fat quarter pack of fabric. You get anywhere from 4 to 5 different fabrics in a fat quarter pack, and each fat quarter is a perfect size for the napkins. Then here's another one that I just love doing, and that is making Christmas drink coasters. I like selecting novelty fabric, cutting them out into any kind of shape you like, and using them as drink coasters. And then I also like, if we're giving any kind of cooking oil or wine or anything like that to someone, is to put a bottle apron on it. And again, I use novelty Christmas fabric to make them. I love making items for the kitchen, and I really like to decorate my kitchen. I don't know if you have an open floor plan like I do, but if you've got your living room all decorated with Christmas decor, and then you turn and look at your kitchen, it has nothing. So here are some suggestions for sprucing up your kitchen during the holiday season. And that's to make decorative towels. This has an applique tree on it. You can also make pot holders to match your towels. So there's a lot of room there for really coordinating everything. And then you can make these refrigerator door handle covers, making them out of Christmas fabric. Again, coordinate it with a pot holder and then a decorative towel. So these are some great little ideas for sprucing up your kitchen. If you want a really simple oven mitt, just slip your hand in there and you've got this little Christmas tree applique on it. Really easy to make. And then I've got all kinds of Christmas pot holder designs to hang around your kitchen. Also, this is a mug rug. And you're wondering, what's a mug rug? Well, it's a mini placemat for your coffee or tea and a little snack. So these are great to have around during the holiday season. This is a jelly roll placemat. And jelly rolls come in packs of about 20 strips of 2.5-inch wide fabric. And you can put them on this diagonal pattern. This is a really easy placemat to make, and you can also make a matching table runner. Then over here I have what I call my last minute table runner. It's got metallic plaid design on this. This is just so elegant, but it's really quick and easy to make. Then if you like semi-homemade projects like I do, you can buy a tablecloth and put prairie points on the edge. This is really easy to do and doesn't take very long to do. Now don't forget the base of your Christmas tree. This is a tree skirt, and it's just one great big piece of fabric. You start out with a circle, cut little scallop edges, and I have a really easy technique for doing that, and you can put optional pom-pom fringe on it. And then of course, if you have a fireplace mantle, you can always make really pretty stockings to hang on there. You can make them for all your kids or your grandchildren, just who's ever visiting you that day for the holiday. These are really easy. I show you how to make your own drawings for the pattern. It's not difficult to make. Also, one thing that I like to do is take the pillows off of my sofa and make holiday slip covers to put over it. So on the back, it's got a slip cover opening. I just used basic Christmas fabric, and again, these are optional pom-pom fringe that you can put on it. If you like other little tiny pillows, to put around your house on an end table or up on your fireplace mantle. I show you how to create the letters and put these little yo-yo designs in the middle with a decorative button. These are so much fun to make. You can put any saying, Christmas saying, that you want on them. I love making fleece blankets. They're so warm and cozy. And I made this one with kind of Christmassy colors in it for my new grandson. And so this is a small one so that I can wrap this around him. But there's nothing wrong with making it larger for an adult and making it a lap quilt size. So this is a really quick Christmas project to make. And then I really love, one of my first loves is making quilts. And this is a Christmas panel quilt. Now I have lots of panel quilt videos, all with different borders on them. So all you need to do is purchase any panel piece of fabric of your that you like, and then decide what kind of border that you would like on it. This would look great hanging over the arm of your sofa or the back of your sofa or even on your chair. And it's lap quilt size, so you can sit nice and cozy with it covering your legs. I hope you enjoyed looking at some of my favorite Christmas projects, and I really enjoy sharing them with you. Now, to get the links to all of these video tutorials, make sure you check below the YouTube screen. Thanks for watching and happy sewing! I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, would you please click on the thumbs up button, and don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on that red subscribe button down there in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. And don't forget to click on the bell and enter your email address so you'll receive email notifications about my latest video. I'm Cheryl and this is Manny. See you next time and happy sewing!